Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video best AC in USA. तो चलिए वीडियो की तरफ चलते हैं। वीडियो से पहले हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और बेल आइकन को ऑन कर दें ताकि आने वाली हर न्यू वीडियो सबसे पहले आप तक पहुंचे। तो चलते हैं गूगल क्रोम की तरफ। हम यहाँ पे गूगल क्रोम में चले जाएंगे। गूगल क्रोम में सबसे पहले आपने ऊपर जाके सर्च कर देना है बेस्ट एसी इन यूएसए। तो हमें शॉर्ट में बताना पड़ता है, तो इस वजह से हम इस तरह मतलब डायरेक्ट आप सर्च करके आपको बताते हैं, ठीक है। तो आफ्टर सम एडिशनल टेस्टिंग वी एडिट दी स्लीक वाइन मील एयर एंड द इन्वर्टर स्टाइल्स एज also peak. We stand by the rest of our recommendation. The perfect air conditioner is one that slides gracefully in and out of your window, cooling you quickly and efficiently with near a peep, and it's also constantly available at an affordable price. In other words, it does not exist, but the U-shaped media U is the closest thing we found to that idea. We this U-shaped media are the U-shaped media air conditioner is the quick quickest model we ever tested, and it's designed in a way that lets you open your window, but the installation process is instant feel. If you looking for a more traditional window AC, the GP is the quickest and available, and it's also better looking that than most. It is the dejected quiet mood. It's comparable to the media in U in volume, even when the compressor running and the fan high. It's the touch sensitive control and soft leads lights give it's a classy. And G's recently update smart home integration allows for a smileless naturally voice commands. It's also one of the few models we seen with apply. So the Unity, I think the Unity they are easy to install and records a room about as well as over top peak for a silently lower price. However, the sound is little more grating, especially at lower fan speeds. Thanks for watching guys. हमारे चैनल को लाजमी 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 सब्सक्राइब करना है।